Welcome to WritersER, where we help you navigate the complexities of academic writing for doctoral and master's students. Today, we're unpacking the essentials of data analysis, an indispensable part of the research process that involves examining, cleaning, transforming, and modeling data to discover useful information, inform conclusions, and support decision-making. Whether you're drafting your thesis or sifting through heaps of data for your dissertation, understanding the right techniques and tools is crucial for turning raw data into meaningful insights. Data analysis can seem daunting, but with the right approach, it becomes a pivotal tool in your research arsenal. For those dealing with quantitative data involving numerical values, mastering statistical tests is key. Techniques such as regression analysis, ANOVA, and hypothesis testing help summarize data sets and unearth underlying patterns, providing a solid foundation for interpreting your results. If you're working with qualitative data, such as texts, interviews, or images, thematic analysis is invaluable. This method helps you identify themes and patterns within your data, building a detailed narrative around your research questions. Utilizing software like NVivo or Atlas TI can streamline the categorization and analysis of your data, making complex datasets manageable. Visualization plays a critical role in data analysis as well. Tools like Tableau or Microsoft Excel offer robust functionalities to create visual representations of your data. Effective charts, graphs, and heat maps not only clarify your findings, but can also highlight trends and outliers that might be missed in a simple data review. Furthermore, harnessing the power of software designed for statistical analysis, such as SPSS, R, or Python, can enhance your ability to conduct sophisticated statistical tests and manage large data sets, typical in PhD-level research. To stay sharp and make the most of these tools, consider attending workshops and courses offered by your university or online platforms like Coursera and Khan Academy. These resources are designed to improve your skills and confidence in handling and interpreting data. As we conclude today's guide on data analysis essentials, reflect on how these techniques and tools can be integrated into your research. Which tools have you tried and found effective? Are there specific data analysis challenges you are currently facing? Share your thoughts and engage with fellow researchers in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WritersER for more academic insights. Your participation helps us continue to support students like you throughout their academic journeys. Remember, effective data analysis not only substantiates your research findings, but also deepens the impact of your work. By mastering the right tools and techniques, you can unlock deeper insights and present your results compellingly and scientifically. Stay curious, keep learning, and let's excel in data analysis together.